Hey, it's Pavel. In this video, I would like to introduce a library built by myself named go-validators. The source code of this library is available on my GitLab, which will be linked in the description below the video. And the library itself was built for the purpose of simplifying the resource manager API, which is the main theme of most of the videos in this series. And the purpose of this library is to provide us with configurable validators for the Golang structures. We are able to register a rule, either hard-coding it in the source code of our application, or by using the configuration file to define it. And obviously, we are able to validate the structure against the registered rules. The sample configuration file, in this case YAML, the other types that are supported are TOML and JSON. And the structure rules just like that. We have a list of validators. Each of them has defined a structure name. Each could be either a structure or a primitive, like string or int. And in case of structures, we need to also add a field definition, meaning which field of this structure should be verified against this rule. And as a rule itself, we have a list of regular expressions which are used to validate the content of given field. The field itself is extracted using Go reflection. So having the name of the field, and we are able to reflect it from the any object, and read the value and check it against the rules that we have. How the library itself is built. We have a currently single map holding the rules. Each rule is related to a single field or primitive, and as we call validate, we check for the rules that are defined for given structure plus field. And if all of them are passing, then we can say that our structure is valid against our business rules. There is one item here on a roadmap for this library. As for now, we only can have one list, one map of the rules. It means that every instance of a given structure for the application has to be validated against the same rule, and it is enough for the purpose of resources manager API, but for a bigger, more real solutions, it might be profitable to have possibility of registering various rules for a given structure, and to be able to choose them by some label or something like that. So the library will be extended with such a functionality in close future. Like that, adding optional field of rule set name or something similar, we would be able to limit the rules used for validation of given structure, or not setting this field would let us use the whole set, just like it works now. I encourage you to check out this library, to change the source code and address some improvement. And feel free to check other videos on my channel. Thanks for attention.